Hey guys, fun review here. I've got the gray bunny bird feeder tube. Gonna pop this open, get it full of some seed. Saw this, really want to pick it up and try it out since I'm all things bird feed. Got a bunch of feeders around, different brands. Wanted to give this one a quick try out. Some of my other feeders are getting older. So far I like it. I like the big perch, that's a big deal. I've got a lot of little stellar jays that come where I am that are bigger birds and really want it. So I'm gonna fill this up with different kind of seeds and just see what I kind of attract. It doesn't have the lid blockers there, it's just a straight hole, which actually is better for me. I'm having a lot of bird feeders that are actually small openings and some of my bigger birds can't do it. So get this guy filled up, set up, and let's go give it a go. So what I like about this is I can actually fill it up with like big sunflower seeds. Some of my other feeders only take like little tiny, and I find that I get a lot better results with the birds I'm going for using these black sunflower seeds that are oiled. I like doing it in my hand because I don't mind spilling some of them here. But that's actually a really cool feature already, is that this is big enough to handle bigger seed, not just tiny. That was a problem I was having with some of my other ones. So that should be enough. I've got a lot of evening sparrows around. Excited to try that out. Twit cakes with this. Bring this to another location, put this there. Hangs pretty good, and I know within just a few minutes I'll probably have a lot of little songbirds on here going for it. I like it because you can throw it in. You see, I already have a chickadee landing here just looking at me like, hey, what do you got for us now? So once, you know, my guys know once they land here, there's a bunch of feed. This spot, you can see I got all kind of feeders, but I'm excited to see how they land on this and go for it. I'm letting it dangle a little too much, but I want to try it just to see how it kind of goes. So you see it right here, this guy fills up really quickly. You just take the lid, it's got a nice, pretty long attachment there. It's actually got kind of a screw-in attachment on this one, a big bolt there, so you know it's actually going on good. I've had some before that aren't as sturdy as this, and you hang them up and then they fall, and then you got seed everywhere. So I actually like this design quite a bit, pretty straightforward. Let's actually go hang it up and see. I'm hoping I get some evening grosbeaks with this, but I know they're gonna love it since there's all kind of seed in here that they really like. Overall, really like it, getting a lot of activity with it. If you're needing a little bird feeder for sunflower seeds, it's big enough, you know, big enough opening for various birds, highly recommend it.